Hey beautiful bosses, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nique. In today's video, we are doing a DIY fireplace, chimney, whatever you want to call it. If you don't have one in your house, your townhouse, your apartment, your house, I'm about to show you how to do it today. So for this video, you'll need some boxes. I went to my post office and got these. I got them this size. And are they the same sizes? Oh, I guess they're all the same. These are not the boxes that I got last year, so I hope this works. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. And then this size. Got this from Hobby Lobby. Scissors. Thank you. And tape. Alrighty guys, so once you build your boxes, you want to stack them the way you want your chimney to be. Here we go. We're gonna make it work though. We're gonna make it work though. So then you're going to take your tape and you're going to tape these two together. 1, 2, 3. And then these two is going to be part of this. You're just going to tape that all together. And then you're going to tape 3 of these together. Just like this. Together like that, and I'll be back. This is what we have so far. I could add. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of my video. I'm definitely going to add more to the chimney. As of right now, this is what I have. Like I said, the box sizes, a lot of things changed. I had like a little smoke coming out the top, so I'm going to go and get that as well. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.